Hi, Anna. This is a video for you, not so much a lesson for the kids. I just thought instead of writing out how to do the science lesson, I would just sort of show you how I do it. We went on a leaf walk and they all have a little baggie with some leaves from trees. Some of them will pick up leaves from bushes too, I know. Um, and the whole point of the lesson today is what shapes are leaves. We talked about what shapes trees are. Some are triangular, some are more circular, etc. So the first thing is this felt board is in here, and there are these different felt shaped leaves. So first just talk to them. I'm going to put up this leaf. Wow, what shape does that look like to you? Ask a few students. Do the same thing with, take a look at this one. How is it different? Wow, what shape does that look like? You can ask them. So you put up these different shapes and you're just sort of talking about the shapes of the leaves. And then after you finish putting them up, oops, then tell them, now I have some shapes I'm going to put up there. So take a look. What's that shape? That's right, that's a heart. And what is this shape? Triangle. And so then you'll go through and ask them about these shapes. That's a rectangle. And take a look at this one, kind of like a lemon or a football. And we've got an oval. And what would we call that shape? Maybe like a paddle. So then what you can do is just say, is there anyone who can find a leaf at the top that seems to match the shape down below? Where would we put these leaves if we were to put them into one of the shapes? So for example, this leaf right here, which shape does it seem the closest to? I think this leaf is shaped kind of like a paddle. Now who can come up and find another leaf and show me where they think it goes? So someone might come and say, this looks a lot like that, or this leaf looks a lot like the football shape. I think this shape kind of looks like a heart. This to me looks like either a heart or a triangle. Anyhow, you get the whole point that they're just kind of realizing that different leaves have different shapes. You could even ask them, do you think all of these leaves are from the same tree? Why not, etc. After they finish that, then show them there are these, oh, did I forget to bring them up here? Hold on, sorry. Coming back. Tried to have everything together. There are these leaf sorting mats. There's two of them that are those same shapes as the yellow shapes. And so what you can do is put down two sheets, maybe at the table in between two students. Tell them you're going to sit down. You'll work with the person next to you. They'll put these down and then tell them you're going to take out your leaves from your bag and you're going to sort them where you think they go. What shape do you think they are? So maybe they got the pine needles from a pine tree. I think those are long and skinny, so I'll put them on that shape there. I think you get the main idea. These leaves, let's see if I take one off. It looks kind of like an oval. You can model this for them. I might either just do it on the overhead. Yeah, I would probably put it up on the monitor up in front and just show them how I sort my leaves into those different shapes. So let them play around with that for a little bit, talk about it. Then have them put their leaves away. The final thing is in their science notebook. They'll be on page 17. Just finding page 17 can be a challenge. So walk around and you'll see. And it's just what shapes are leaves. I would just tell them, to draw what they were doing. I'm going to show you on this paper right here, just so if you wanted to model for them, you could in the book. But I might say, oh, you know what, I saw that one of my leaves was kind of like an oval. So I'm going to draw an oval, and then here was my leaf inside of it. So some leaves are like an oval. That was one of my leaves. And then I noticed that one leaf was really long and skinny. So skinny, that's what it looked like, kind of where they were stuck together, that pine leaf. So have them draw a shape and draw a leaf inside of it. Most of them are not going to do a lot of writing down below, but you might model just a little bit of writing. Maybe you even just are labeling oval. maybe they sound out rectangle, just sort of modeling for them that they can do a little bit of writing with it. So that's kind of the whole lesson wrapped up in a very short little video. So hopefully have fun with it. It's a bit of a handful in the afternoons because you won't have Eliza here. So just go slowly through it and hopefully it works out.